Rogers 5G Home Internet provides high-speed internet via a 5G cellular network using a dedicated router with a SIM card. First, locate the SIM card slot on your Rogers 5G router, typically found on the back. Insert the pre-activated SIM card, physical or eSIM, into the slot. Once inserted, power on the router. The initial connection to the Rogers network will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial for the router to sync with your account. Remember, this service covers over 95% of Canadian households as of 2025, offering speeds from 100 Mbps to 1 gigabit per second, depending on your plan. Optimal router placement is key to maximizing your 5G home internet signal. Position the router near a window or exterior wall to ensure a clear line of sight to Rogers 5G towers, ideally within 1 to 2 kilometers. Use the Rogers My Account app, available on iOS and Android, to test the signal strength, aiming for 4 to 5 bars. Avoid placing the router in basements or near metal obstructions, as these can weaken 5G signals. Download the Rogers My Account app, log in, scan the router's QR code, and follow the prompts to complete the activation remotely. The app also provides diagnostics, speed tests, and troubleshooting tools, ensuring secure updates and parental controls. With these steps, your Rogers 5G home internet should be fully operational in 15 to 30 minutes.